Good evening, friends. Welcome back to MNR, your daily dose of the most critical updates in medicine. Today is Saturday, April 18th, 2026. Headlines today. FDA approves Foundayo, orforglipron, the first once-daily oral GLP-1 tablet for weight loss. Heat stroke clinics in India, rising temperatures trigger specialized care centers. AI in heart health, new predictive AI tools are redefining heart attack prevention. Let's dive into the details. Story 1, Heat and Respiratory. Moving to global health, we are seeing significant environmental challenges impacting healthcare infrastructure. Heat Action Plan, Kerala, India. The health department has set up special heat stroke clinics at major hospitals due to a spike in sunstroke cases as temperatures touch 40 degrees Celsius. Public health advice. Health officials are advising the public to avoid direct sunlight between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. and to stay hydrated. Air quality alert. Furthermore, studies are highlighting that ground-level ozone is becoming a year-round threat, causing airway inflammation and increasing infection vulnerability. Story 2, 2026 Trends, AI and Rare Diseases. Medicine in 2026 is rapidly evolving toward personalized and digital-first care. Here are the top trends to watch. AI-driven diagnostics. AI is no longer a pilot project. It's being used to predict decompensations in diseases like heart failure and diabetes. Small gene editing. CRISPR researchers have found a way to shrink CRISPR tools to fit into delivery vectors, L3Cas12F. This means better targeting for cancers and ALS. New rare disease treatments. FDA grants accelerated approval for Avlaya, tividenofusp-alfa-ekm, for Hunter syndrome, which can now cross the blood-brain barrier via the transferrin receptor pathway. Quick hits, medical news in brief. Let's move to our quick hits roundup. Mental Health Network. India expands its public mental health network to 47 government hospitals. Pediatric liver health. Experts are expressing concern over rising fatty liver cases in children, linked to high-fat fast food consumption. Endometriosis care. New advancements are promising to manage endometriosis without surgery. Cardiologist alert. A daily desk habit, sitting for over 6 hours, is being highlighted for doubling your heart attack risk. Neurology brief. Top story, the 2026 AAN annual meeting kicks off. The 2026 American Academy of Neurology, AAN, annual meeting begins today in Chicago and online, April 18th to 22nd. Key data drop. Early highlights include Argenx's new findings on Vyvgart, showing significant symptom improvement in patients with ocular myasthenia gravis, MG, and potential for earlier use in treatment-naive CIDP patients. Emerging science. Sessions are set to cover everything from the impact of diet on cognitive trajectories to the latest in vascular neurology and stroke management. Breakthrough research, reprogramming metabolism via the hindbrain. A new study published today reveals that the hormone FGF21 targets the hindbrain to burn fat and reduce body weight without curbing appetite. The mechanism. Unlike current obesity drugs, this hormone targets the nucleus of the solitary tract, increasing metabolic activity at its core. Clinical potential. Researchers are looking at this pathway not just for weight loss, but for treating fatty liver disease linked to metabolic dysfunction. Neuromuscular and neurodegenerative highlights. Multiple sclerosis. MS Roche's Alexis NFL blood test recently received CE mark approval, offering a minimally invasive way to monitor neuroinflammation and biological damage in RRMS patients. ALS breakthrough. Final data from the VALOR study suggests that early initiation of tofersen is critical to preserving respiratory function and extending survival in SOD1 ALS patients. Alzheimer's trials. Top-line results for the Polaris AD trial, targeting amyloid beta oligomers, and Eli Lilly's Remternetug, a self-administered subcutaneous option, are key milestones being watched closely this quarter. Clinical quick hits. SUDEP update. Recent research highlights respiratory dysfunction during seizures as the central cause of sudden unexpected death in epilepsy, SUDEP. New predictive scores, SOTEP-CARE, are achieving high accuracy in identifying at-risk patients. Neuro-ophthalmology, studies indicate that screen focus reduces blink rates by over 50%, leading to chronic dry eye and subsequent eye rubbing that can worsen astigmatism. Guava. Guava is one of the most protein-rich fruits around. You'll get a whopping 4.2 grams of the stuff in every cup. This tropical fruit is also high in vitamin C and fiber. Slice it up or bite right into it like an apple. You can even eat the seeds and skin, so there's nothing to clean up. WebMD. A happier decade? Surveys show that aging and happiness often form a U-shaped curve. The line dips slowly from your youth to your middle years, then rises in your 40s and 50s. About 1 in 3 people in their 60s say they're very happy, slightly more than those under 35. Life probably taught you to savor good times and know that bad times will pass. But your golden decade can bring new challenges, like health or money worries and the deaths of loved ones. WebMD. Emotional intelligence, EI, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own and others' emotions. People who are high in EI tend to have more satisfying personal and professional relationships, as well as greater levels of psychological well-being. Also known as emotional quotient, EQ, researchers have studied EI for decades. Many companies want their employees, especially executive leadership, to have high EQ. Some universities even offer courses on how to improve emotional intelligence. WebMD. Disclaimer: this script is based on general medical information. All information must be verified before use. The creator, publisher, and YouTube will not be liable or responsible for any negative consequences.